as a nest of bloody squid.
No! Gotta be Druid! Clerics don't carry much gold on them. Always offering it up to their bloody gods!
You're both wrong. Ever mark your asking? Common sense.
That's curious.
Trap.
Ready and willing.